So the question on everyone's mind is, how many chump fixes will it take to hold an electrician? Well, this is going to be the test. Because what I've done, I've set up this as a swing. So we can swing on this onto the jack chain, but I'll put it directly into some joists, so I know this can hold my weight. And I'm going to fix some chump fixes into this plasterboard, which I'll show you. Basically a void down there, so there's no wood up there, and we're going to fix some chump fixes up to it and see if it holds my weight. Wish me luck. So all I've got now is just one screw holding each jack chain, and that held my weight fine. So what I'm going to do is get a chump fix in there, and then in there, and in there. So first things first, in order to put the chump fix up, we're going to need a 20mm hole. There we go. That is going to fix some chump fix up there. And then here we have a fresh pack of chump fix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 in here. So this will fix the weight. Does it say what weight it does or anything like that? Faster, stronger, tougher. One way to find out, eh? So let's open it up. It hasn't got a picture of a person hanging on there, but you know, we've got to test things to the max. And we're going to use the screws that it comes with as well. And we're going to fix up, like a ceiling rose is one of them. So basically fix this up there at an angle to spread the weight, to make it stronger, and yeah, somehow connect that jack chain to it. Right, so the plan is to use the jack chain. I'm going to snap this off, and then that wants to go on the flat surface, so I'm going to push this through, and then that is going to fix up basically like that. We're going to put the chump fix up through the hole. There we go. We're going to hold it in place with that, and then put a screw in there. Right, let's make sure we get it right. And then once that's held up, I can just twist this off, and there we go. That's, in effect, that's my light fitting held up. Do it up nice and tight. There we go, and get this off again. Oh, sugar. Yep, you can twist it with one hand. So now we've got these two. We'll do the same over there. So let's just get this off. So that is my 4 points of anchor. And I need to connect these up to them now to see if I can sit and it'll hold my weight. Right, well that's them all hooked up onto chump fixes. So, safety first, let's be honest. I don't want to hurt myself. What is the most important part of your head? Most important part of your body, I mean? Your head. So, just in case I fall back, hit my head, and I'll sit here unconscious, I'm going to be safe. Probably better do it up as well. I didn't think, what if I hurt my bum? I'm going to go for it. You ready? Right, get these all tight. Feet off the floor. Ah! It holds my weight! No way! That. My feet are off the floor. I can swing. Give it a tap. And them chump fixes are holding my weight. So 4 chump fixes hold the weight of Electrician. I feel safe enough to take my helmet off because it's bloody boiling hot. I was so convinced that was going to snap. I can't believe it. I was so convinced that one of them was going to fall out, or I don't know, slip out the ceiling. I thought the plasterboard might break. So basically, they're bloody strong. I've just took this one out. It's not really wrecked at all. You could use it again. That's had my fat ass sitting on it. Strong bit of kit, that.